Today's video is how to revise. Now, often students are assumed to know how to revise, and I used to struggle with this myself. So what I've got is a strategy to share with you. I take each letter from the word revise and turn it into a step-by-step guide on how to do exactly that, revise. So R is for recall. This is where you try to recall as much information that you can remember on a topic as possible. So often this is called brain dumping. It's when you quickly write down everything you can remember about a topic without looking at your notes. Why do this? Well, it helps you spot what you know well and what you've forgotten. So you can focus your revision much more effectively. Doing regular brain dumps trains your memory to recall information under pressure. And that is just like an exam. So after you've done a brain dump, E is for engage. You can engage with model answers by comparing what you wrote to an example and highlight what you've missed, reword key phrases, note how top answers use evidence and structure. You can use flashcards to focus on the gaps that you found, write questions on one side and concise definitions, theorists or evaluations on the other. With flashcards, make sure they are very brief. Finally, test yourself repeatedly with those flashcards until you can recall the information confidently without any prompts. This strengthens long-term memory and, of course, exam recall. V is for videos. Now, you guys are so lucky that you are doing your A-levels at a time when YouTube has tons and tons of awesome videos designed to help you understand. So the beauty of videos is they explain complex ideas visually and clearly, making it easier, obviously, to understand tricky theories or case studies. They can also reinforce learning through dual coding. Seeing and hearing information at the same time often improves our memory. And videos can keep revision engaging and varied. It can help you stay motivated and remember content for longer. Some of the best videos are walkthroughs where you get to look at some more model answers or timed walkthroughs, which are very, very helpful for preparing you for your exam. After watching videos and having done all those flashcards, mind maps, and looked at model answers, why not test yourself? There's loads of apps where you can get quizzing and mini tests. Quizzing helps because it makes your brain actively retrieve information, which strengthens your memory much more than just reading notes. It shows you exactly what you do and don't know, and you can then target your weak areas. Regular quizzes trains your mind for exam conditions. It improves your speed, your accuracy, and above all, your confidence. S is for simulate. Simulating exam conditions helps you practice recalling information under pressure, just like the real exam. It trains you to manage your time effectively, ensuring that you can plan and complete answers within limits. Working without notes builds exam stamina and confidence, so you can rely on memory instead of prompts. So it's perfect after quizzing, it's perfect after flashcards, and overall it makes the exam feel familiar, reducing anxiety, of course, and improving your overall performance. Now, E is for exam practice. Now, having done your timed questions, you will very quickly pick up which areas need more practice, so do that. And at this stage, you can also read examiners' mark schemes and examiners' reports to see if there are any key bits of advice that you have missed so far. So overall, that is how I would encourage you to revise. Now, what I've got here is some tracking sheets that use the revise method for education, family, methods, crime and beliefs, theory and debates. So you can put into practice those strategies by taking each topic and going through those key revision techniques. Hope that's helpful.